I'm getting so excited that the 52-week savings challenges, I have 7 of them, they are almost complete. And I hope that you have been able to follow me with at least one. I know you may not be able to do 7 savings challenges, but I hope you have been able to follow me with at least one of these 52-week savings challenges, or maybe 2. And this is money that we're saving for emergency funds. That way, when emergency comes, you'll have some money to tap into. So join me in this 52-week savings challenge, which is very easy and very simple, and it is putting away small amounts of money. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2025. Let's save more money in 2025, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you would subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment and let me know, what do you think of this video? Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video? Because there may be someone that could use this content also. And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video? I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah, because I'm happy for you if you're saving money for an emergency fund, and you will be happy if you have some money to tap into when emergency comes. We don't know when they're going to come. They can't be avoided, but we want to be ready and prepared. And in this savings challenge, we're taking small amounts of money. Every time we get some money, put it away to the side and save it, and it adds up over time. Now, I have 7 savings challenges, and this is savings challenge number 1, which I do on Mondays. And what you need for this savings challenge is some money like this. This is 10 $1 bills. Yeah, okay? And you need a container. And I call this my money bottle savings challenge. This is the bottle that I got from Walmart. It was around $13 or $14. It was full of water. I bought the bottle, brought it home, poured the water out, let it dry real good, and I've been adding 10 $1 bills in this since 2024. Yeah. So the plan was to add 10 $1 bills the whole year 2024 and save $1,000, but it was $500 by the end of 2024. I'm sorry. So I figured, let's just carry it over to next year. If it took if it took a year to save $500 with 10 $1 bills, it would do the same thing this year. So at the end of this year, it should be $1,000 in here. Okay? Now, I was in Walmart yesterday, and I noticed they had some more of these bottles. I think what I'm going to do is buy another one. I'm going to cut this one open and get the money out. Now, I have another way, and I've done a video on how you can get this money out with some hair cutting shears. But I kind of figured that's going to take all day, or maybe longer. So I'm going to just cut this bottle open and buy another one. Yeah. When I get ready to take it out and do the unstuffing big reveal. Yeah. So anyway, but next year I'm going to do the same savings challenge, but I'm going to be adding 20 $1 bills. That way it'll be $1,000 by the end of 2026. Yeah, so join me in this easy savings challenge. And if you can't do 20 $1 bills, do 10, do 5, do something. As long as you're doing something, okay? All right, so we want to save at least $1,000. And that way it'll cover emergency up to $1,000. And we want to save at least 3 to 6 months of our living expenses. Now, I wouldn't put 3 to 6 months of my living expenses in something like that. I would keep that in the bank. Okay, and another thing, when you get your $1,000, it's up to you. But I would put that in the bank and then start over and save again, save some more. You know, I don't know if I would just keep this in the house. Now, it's up to you. If you do, keep this in the house. Put it in a black trash bag inside of a closet behind the clothes. Don't have it sitting out where people can see it. Okay? All right. Okay, so we want to save at least $1,000 in 3 to 6 months of our living expenses. So you won't have to go out and get one of these, one of these, one of these, and run up a bunch of these. You don't want to live off these. You want to have money to pay for everything that you need. You want to stay out of this, especially this, because this is not free money. We pay a hefty price called interest. This is not free money, okay? Like I said, we pay a hefty price called interest. Now, this is good because this can help you to have passive income and it can help you to be financially free. In other words, this is other people's money, which is a good thing. Okay? All right. And if you do whatever you can to come out of this, this can also help you to have passive income and be financially free. Okay? I'm free of this and this, and I've seen a world of difference in my income. Yes. Okay, so this is a great savings challenge if this is your situation and if this is your situation. Because, like I said, it's working with small amounts of money. When we take small amounts of money, every time we get some money, put it away to the side and save it. It adds up over time. And if this is your situation, it's a great savings challenge for the same reason. But if this is your situation, do whatever you can to increase it. Have more than one stream of income. You know, years ago, I never realized how important that is. That way, if something like, where's my other something like this happens, you can still, you know, keep things going. And this is another reason why you want to have 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. That way you can still pay your rent, your mortgage, your gas bill, your electric bill, your cell phone, your car payment, your life insurance, your car insurance. You can still buy food for 3 to 6 months until your situation changes. All right? All right. Oh, you know, I just got through filming Sunday's video and I forgot to say in there, let's have good behavior with money, live on less than what we make, watch our spending, don't spend money like there's no tomorrow. You know, we never know how these job situations are going to be. Now is not a time to be in debt, a lot of debt. You never know. You have a job today and not tomorrow. And like, you know, like I said, increase your income, okay? Have more than one stream of income, okay? And go to the grocery store and buy food and meal prep. That helps save money. Eating out is expensive, okay? So if you go to the store and buy food and meal prep, you can, you know, spend less money, okay? All right, and while you're in the store, if you're a person that likes to go to this place, you can buy this coffee at the store and make your own coffee. You'll have more coffee and spend less money. Yeah. Okay, so now, another thing we're doing now, we're speaking affirmations. We're speaking things into existence that we want and that we need. We are going to believe that it's going to happen. We're going to receive that it's going to happen. And we're going to expect it. Are you expecting? I'm expecting. Yes. I'm expecting everything that I have on this card. And I have other affirmations, but they're kind of personal. So make you a vision board and write these affirmations down. Now, I have my timer set on my phone for 3 a.m. when I wake up. I say them then. 9 a.m., 11 a.m., 1 p.m., 3 p.m., and 5 p.m., and 7 p.m. So say these affirmations like that. Set your timer on your phone. So when your alarm goes off on your phone, read your affirmations in. I have these in the description. So if you want to take a screenshot, when your alarm goes off, just go to your photos and just read them. Yeah. Read them over and over and over. Well, speak them. Speak it. Okay? Okay, so I decree and I declare that money now coming to me, money chases me down. I decree and I declare I am prosperous, send prosperity now. I decree and I declare I am debt free, I owe no man nothing. I decree and I declare I have more than enough money. Excuse me. I decree and I declare my checking account and my savings account balance is, and speak what you want it to be. I decree that I declare that all of my bills are paid in full and all of my needs are met. I decree and I declare that I do not live in lack or want. I decree and I declare that I am now financially free. I decree and I declare I am a money magnet. And if you want to add on there, I decree and I declare I'm a rich, wealthy, multi-millionaire. Why not? Okay? Believe it, receive it, and accept it. Act like it already happened. Get excited when you're reading these. Visualize it in your mind, because if you see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. Yes. Yes. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and add our money to our money bottle. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. 5 number 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yay! Okay, let's go ahead and record. Today is Monday, December 1st. Can you believe, boy, I tell you, this year seemed like it was just yesterday I started this savings challenge. Okay, this is our money bottle savings challenge. We added $10. And the total amount is, let me see. Oh my goodness. This savings challenge is completed. It was $990. Now it is $1,000. Yeah! I didn't even know this was completed. Oh my goodness. I was trying to stretch these out to the end of the year. I guess I could have just waited, but that's okay. That's okay. Hopefully you've been able to do this same savings challenge, and hopefully you have completed yours. Hopefully. So sometimes this month I'm going to be cutting this open and doing an unstuffing and a big reveal. Okay? All right. So thank you for stopping by. Thank you for joining me. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you got great value out of this video. Drop me a comment. Let me know if you're doing this savings challenge or any of the other savings challenge, and let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. You all have a safe, wonderful day, and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.